tells us that we have had a significant rally, and there's always room for correction. There's also some uncertainty on the geopolitical side, on the domestic political side, and coronavirus. It is not particularly concerning. However, we do find that the US equity market is more expensive than the European equivalent, China, UK, Japan, and therefore we are neutral on the US, whereas we're positive on the others.
Thanos, loving the new look, by the way. When did the beard go? But we'll ask that question perhaps another time. Actually, no, when did the beard go? Over New Year, was it?
Yes, exactly. With part of the COVID clearing.
Wow. I didn't see the beard connection in any of the National Health Service briefings, but we'll move on. Look, when did valuation matter when you've got momentum? And I mean this really because like we talk about some of these products and the momentum they've had is quite extraordinary. And people keep telling me that is more important in the shorter term than valuation.
And I agree. Valuation tends to be like a sort of a piece of rubber which extends and extends and it can extend for a long period of time. But if we do look at valuation, this is the reason why we are neutral. If valuation did not have that characteristics, then we would be negative. We're not negative because of that factor. So valuation is a key consideration, but we do understand that it can drag for long periods of time.
Let's talk about some of the near-term drivers. We've obviously got this very important Senate race taking place even as we speak. Americans will begin going to the polls and then we'll get an outcome which will tell us whether Biden takes the House and the Senate. How critical a message will that send to markets about the prospects for further fiscal support?
I think, Jeff, markets had been a bit complacent in that because they felt that Georgia, the Republicans in Georgia have never lost a runoff in the Senate. And as a result, they thought this is a done deal. I disagreed. I thought for the last few months, with Kamala Harris in place, with Stacey Abrams in place, there is an increasing likelihood, and of course with Biden himself winning the state for nearly 30 years, that there was a chance that there could be an upset in terms of market expectations. However, and therefore the Democrats do win Georgia. However, my view is that this will not constitute a blue wave. Yes, the Democrats will have the House, the Senate, and the executive. But I believe that moderate Democrats would not be willing to vote in favor of ultra-progressive views from the Democrat administration. So I do not see this as a true blue wave. And any true blue wave would probably have to wait until the midterms in 2022.
I think
I'm not that concerned.